General situation in Gaza Strip is very bad. We reached the worst situation that we can ever imagine from all aspects, humanitarian and medical aspects. The health situation in the Gaza Strip is disastrous. All the hospitals which are still working, which are few hospitals which are still working in the Gaza Strip, they are struggling to adapt with the huge amounts of patients and the huge gaps and lack of supplies that we are still facing. In all the hospitals, patients are everywhere in the corridors and on the ground without even a hospital bed. Patients have to bring even their own mattresses from home to be admitted to the hospitals and to be receiving the services. And they will bring their mattress from home to put it on the floor to receive the medical services that they are in need to. All the hospitals with the bed occupancy rate of more than 200 and 300% of their occupancy. We are struggling with all the aspects of the health care system in the Gaza Strip nowadays. Every day is worse than the day before, and everyone in the health system now in the Gaza Strip is struggling. The situation in Nasser Hospital is very difficult. Nasser Hospital is the main and biggest functioning hospital now in the Gaza Strip, with a bed occupancy of more than 250 to 300% of patients. The emergency department in Nasser Hospital, they don't stop. The influx of patients does not stop. So if you go in the emergency department, even you cannot take a breath there inside because of the huge numbers of patients coming to the emergency department, and they are everywhere in all the place, on the beds, on the floor, and on the corridors. You can smell the blood everywhere in the emergency department of Nasser Hospital. Unfortunately, yesterday the Israeli forces issued an evacuation order for the whole Gaza city, which is a tragic news. We know that there is a big percentage of the Gaza population in Gaza City, and they have no place to go to. So this is a disastrous situation. We know that the health situation in the Gaza City is very bad. They have limited medical care facilities. They have limited supplies, and now with those evacuation orders and increasing the explosions and targeting there, it puts more burden on the medical teams there and on the population themselves. The population, they are desperate. It's very difficult for them to go out of the city, and it's not acceptable that they issue an evacuation order for the whole city with no place for them to go. So it's really it's undescribable, the situation there. Everyone is struggling there to find something, even to seek the medical care that they need. And now with those evacuation orders that they are saying that all the population of Gaza city needs to evacuate, but to where? Where should they go? Yes, it's still continuing, and the patients, they don't know where to go. Even the injured people, they don't know where to go. All the hospitals, and they are few and with limited capacities in Gaza City, even more than in the south. They don't know where to go, and many patients, they wait for weeks and even months to receive the surgical care and the surgical management that they need because of this difficult situation.